You were not taught to build income systems that require no performance. You were taught that visibility equals value, that extroversion builds wealth, that confidence sells. None of that is structurally true. Passive income does not reward personality. It rewards replicable systems, quiet leverage, digital permanence. Introverts do not need to overcome themselves. They need to recognize what their temperament already optimizes for: deep focus, pattern recognition, sustained execution without social validation. These are not soft skills. These are wealth-building architectures. The economy does not care if you speak. It cares if your system works while you sleep. Let's isolate 7 pathways that function without performance, without networking, without charisma as currency. These are not side hustles. These are structural income assets. First, digital product creation, specifically templates, workflows, or automation tools. You build it once, you sell it infinitely. No sales calls, no launch events, no personal brand exposure. Mothers already operate complex household systems. Budget trackers, meal rotations, cleaning schedules. These are monetizable infrastructures. They solve recurring problems for people who will never meet you. You are not selling yourself. You are selling the system. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or Notion allow frictionless distribution. No storefront, no inventory, no customer interaction required. This is not about creativity. This is about documentation. If you solved it for yourself, someone else will pay to skip the trial phase. Second, affiliate marketing through evergreen content, specifically product comparison guides or solution-based tutorials. You write it once. You embed affiliate links. You let search traffic convert without speaking to anyone. The income compounds as the content ranks. No live launches, no audience engagement, no personality dependency. Introverts excel at research, at synthesizing options, at creating clarity in saturated markets. That is the asset. The guide itself becomes the salesperson. You do not need followers. You need search intent alignment. People looking for answers will find your systems organically. Third, print-on-demand stores, specifically text-based designs or minimal graphic layouts. You upload the design once. The platform handles production, shipping, customer service. You never touch inventory. You never speak to buyers. You collect margin on autopilot, Redbubble, Society6, Printful. These are turnkey infrastructures. You are licensing your design to their fulfillment engine. Introverts do not need to trend. They need to niche. A specific audience, a clear message, a repeatable visual language. This is not about going viral. This is about slow, predictable volume across time. Fourth, create and license stock assets, photography, illustrations, audio loops, or video footage. You produce it once. You license it indefinitely. Buyers download without ever knowing your name. Platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Pond5 distribute globally. You collect royalties while parenting, sleeping, or living offline. The system does not require updates. It requires volume and keyword optimization. Introverts are not disadvantaged here. They are structurally advantaged. Deep work, batch production. No need for audience rapport. Fifth, build micro-source tools or no-code apps. Specifically single-function solutions for niche problems. You code it once, or hire someone to. Then you automate customer onboarding, billing, and support. Tools like Bubble, Glide, or Softer allow non-technical builds. You are solving one repeatable problem at scale. Subscription income, monthly, predictable, no sales cycle, no client retention effort beyond the product itself. Introverts do not need to sell, they need to solve. If the tool works, it sells itself. Sixth, write and self-publish books or guides. Specifically non-fiction systems, frameworks, or instructional content. You write it once. You publish on Amazon KDP or Gumroad. It earns indefinitely with zero promotional dependency. This is not about becoming an author. This is about productizing knowledge. Mothers solve problems daily. Budgeting strategies, meal prep systems, time management under constraint. These are packaged assets. They do not require a platform. They require structure and clarity. Introverts do not need to build hype. They need to build utility. The book becomes the income interface. 7th, license evergreen online courses. Specifically skills-based, outcome-driven tutorials hosted on passive platforms. You record it once. You upload to Udemy, Skillshare, or Teachable. The platform markets it. You collect revenue share. No launch stress. No live cohorts. No community management. The system distributes while you parent. Introverts do not need stage presence. They need teaching clarity, screen recording, step-by-step documentation. The course is the salesperson. The structure is the authority. Now let's recalibrate the framing. Passive income is not about escaping work. It is about decoupling income from repeated effort. You work once. The system works continuously. Introverts are not building slower. They are building deeper, with less noise. With more structural permanence, the economy rewards replication, not repetition. You do not need to show up daily. You need to build something that shows up for you. These 7 pathways share one unifying principle: front-loaded effort, back-end automation, no reliance on personality as infrastructure. You are not avoiding people. You are avoiding dependency on live performance as the only income lever. That is not weakness. That is strategic positioning. The wealthiest systems are silent. They function without their creator's presence. That is not passive personality. That is economic architecture. If you are an introvert, you are not excluded from wealth. You are handed a structural advantage you were taught to apologize for. Stop performing extroversion. Start building systems that do not require you to be seen. The income does not care if you are shy. It cares if the system replicates. That is the silent wealth strategy. Mandatory disclaimer. This content is for informational and reflective purposes only. It is not financial, legal, or professional advice. Any business, product, or income strategy mentioned requires independent research, personal effort, legal compliance, and financial risk assessment. Results vary. Consult qualified professionals before making financial decisions. All opinions are observational and not guarantees of income or outcomes.